So nothing worse I hate than somebody taking bits of your car when it's parked up. So here I've lost my antenna on my Nissan Qashqai J10, and yes, it does affect the sound. Um, so what I've done is I've decided to replace it. If you go into Nissan, this will cost you a fair amount, not too bad, but it's a fair amount more than what I would really want to pay for this simple repair. So I've gone into a place called Autodoc. You can get it on your an app on your mobile phone, and if you use the link that I'll supply, you'll also get £3 off your first order, which incidentally is the cost of this product here, which is a little antenna from Autodoc, which replaces the J10 one. So Autodoc allows you to tell which car that you're looking for, and it will find you parts appropriately. So it comes with attachments on there. There's two ones, those little gold screws, which will allow you to screw into different types of car antenna mounts. So in this case, we just need to select the appropriate one and screw it into the mount of the Qashqai. So here we go, that's it screwed in, very simply, nice and tight, just hand tight, and you can see the mating edge there. Now to stop the corrosion, sealing it shut permanently, you put this little rubber grommet on there, and just force it on like that, screw on your antenna. And it's as simple as that. Now hopefully this antenna will give me the same kind of radio performance on the Qashqai that it had before. This is not ideal, but it's a simple replacement for a not ideal situation. So as I said, look at the link before, and please subscribe to the channel because every subscriber counts towards me getting towards my goal of dispersing as much of this information out as possible. Thank you so much again, and I look forward to seeing you on other videos. Take care, look after yourselves. Bye.